For primer, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. Yeah, Pre-Makeup Base. I've been using this one. I like it. It goes on really smooth. Doesn't really have a smell to it, but and then it gets kind of sticky, but it works pretty good. Shoot, I don't even know what foundation I'm gonna use. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin. I'm in the color Y245. I really like this one. Feels kind of weird filming just a regular look. I feel like I have to kind of get back in the groove of it because all the Halloween videos I was doing. For concealer, I have the new Huda Beauty Overachiever concealers. So I love trying new concealers, but I just hate trying new ones when I'm actually trying to film a look. Anyways, so it says it has 31% pure pigment and also soothes and protects the delicate skin around the eyes. So we're gonna try it out. I don't know. I'm not sure what color I am. I'm thinking, let me try Coconut Flakes. I think I'm gonna try this one, which is 10 and Coconut Flakes. And it has this little, like flat tip like that. I don't think I'm going to, I'll apply it like that, but I'm not going to blend it out. I don't think I'm gonna blend it out. I also have the Huda Beauty sponge, blending sponge. I've never used this before either. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply it like this, I guess. I don't know how much I should put. I mean, I'm used to putting a lot because I think I put too much. Oh my god, I think I put too much. I kind of like this little tip. It feels really thin, but super pigmented. I don't want to... I don't know how fast it dries either. I'm trying not to squeeze a lot because I don't want a lot to come out. It smells good. It has like a rosy scent to it. This color might be a little... Well, I don't know. I guess I like the color. I could go a shade lighter probably. But the coverage is good. It blends really good. I don't know if I like this sponge though. I'm not even really sure why. I don't know if it's too big or I'm just used to the Sigma one. I don't know what I don't like about it, but maybe the texture. I don't know. So far, I really like it. I think I could have went maybe up a color. Possibly. I don't know. Maybe not. But it seems like it has really good coverage and it blended really nicely. It's not thick at all, so blended really nice. So I'm going to set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do to my eyes and then I will be right back. So first I'm going to take Sigma's eyeshadow base in Persuade. The stick one, it's going to help prevent creasing and also it cancels out any discoloration on my eyelid, and I really like this one. And the palette that I'm going to use today is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. They just came out with this one and I'm going to take one of the lighter shades, the peachy, it's more of like a
pink color. I'm going to use that with the Sigma E40 blending brush, and I'm going to take that into my crease, just a little bit above my crease, and blend that out. And then I'm going to take the color, I think it's called Devilish. It's like a darker matte, dark pink color, I guess, maroon color. And I'm going to apply that with a Sigma E25 brush, which is one of my favorite brushes, into my crease until I get the intensity that I want. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to clean it up with a little bit of concealer. And then I just took a little bit of concealer to kind of cut the crease and clean that up a little bit. And then I'm going to take one of the shimmery colors, it's more of the pinkier one, and I applied that basically all over my eyelid. I tried to keep the center free of any color, but kind of got on there. I kind of had to go over this color a lot to get the intensity that I wanted with the brush that I was using. When you do it with your finger, it comes off a little more intense, but with the brush, I had to go over it a lot. And then I used the lighter shimmery color. I'm sorry, I don't remember the name of this color, but I just applied that to the center with the Sigma E55 brush. And then for me, the lower lash lines are always pretty simple. I took the darkest matte brown color from the palette. I forgot to show it, but it's the very last color. And I applied that closest to the lash line and just kind of blended it out. And then I blended it out with the transition shade that I used in the beginning. And then in the inner corner of my eye, I actually used the highlighter that I'm going to be using in a couple minutes. You'll see right now. And this purple in the waterline is also from the Urban Decay Cherry collection. And then my lashes were House of Lashes in Midnight.
This collection I don't think came with a bronzer, so I'm going to use the Makeup Geek Sun-Kissed Fair Skin Bronzer, which is looking a little rough. Thought I heard my daughter calling me. Scared me. I'm gonna contour my nose real quick. Can you guys let me know in the comment section below what palette you guys want me to use next? New or old, doesn't matter. I've been trying to use like some of the new ones that have been coming out. But if you want me to use older ones again, then just let me know. So the collection did come with this Naked Cherry Highlight and Blush palette. So I'm going to use pretty much all of it. I'm going to use the blush, and then I think I'm going to try this one, but if it's not light enough, I'm going to go ahead and use this one. I'm going to use the blush. What? Oh, I dropped my brush. Oh, it also has the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, but it's cherry scented. So, it has two caps on it. So I'm just gonna use that real quick. I'm gonna spray my face with that real quick. Yeah, that's pretty. I'm gonna mix a little bit of the lighter color on top. That's pretty. For lipstick, I think I'm gonna go with a dark. I have two different ones here. One's a lighter one, one's a darker one. One is called Juicy and the other one is called Cherry. I think I'm gonna use Cherry, which is the darker one. I don't know, I haven't even seen what they look like, so I'm gonna see right now. I don't know how dark it is. Oh yeah, it's dark. Oh, it's dark. It's like a dark plum color, I guess. I'll use this one because I feel like I do a lot of nude lips, so I'm gonna try this one. Okay, I'm gonna try LA Girl's Berry Wine lipstick.